Hi, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. Hope you all doing good. And I like to wish you a advance happy new year. Wishes to you all. And our YouTube channel is growing, and we are almost 250 subscribers. We are going to reach in 2 months. I'm really happy, and thank you for your supporting and encouraging me in YouTube. And today I select the topic is, what are the health benefits in the radish? Nowadays, the peoples are avoiding vegetables. They preferred for only non-vegetarian and junk foods like that. But you have to know what are the benefits in the radish. Once you know about it, you won't avoid the radish. The radish will give you a proper blood circulation for your heart functioning. This is very, very important. The second one, it will helps to purify your blood also. So you have to take weekly twice radish in your diet. And another one tips I am going to give you, in the early morning you take the radish juice and add little curd and put a pinch of salt. If you take this one in the empty stomach at every morning, it will cure your ulcer, and this is also good remedy for those who have the piles. Those who have the piles problem, you can try this one. It's a home remedy. So there are lot of good things available in the radish. Please try to add in your diet and try this one, and you will feel very energetic also at the early morning. So this one I read yesterday in one newspaper. The same thing I am sharing with you. Please add the radish in your diet plan and enjoy your New Year holidays. Stay happy and stay healthy.